If you're looking for a charming one-bedroom suburban home, this might be your next address, right in the upstairs of this lovely Hoover home. As soon as you climb the stairs, you'll start falling in love with this spacious home that's full of natural light everywhere you turn. The open kitchen is compact and efficient. It's sized just right for people on the go who don't have time for the upkeep of a huge kitchen. As you step from the living room into the bedroom, you'll once again find natural light flooding the room from the windows which line 2 of the walls. And on the end of the room, you'll find the charming green spaces of a beautiful and safe suburban neighborhood. At the other end of the spacious bedroom, you'll see the bathroom on the left and a large walk-in closet with plenty of storage space and a rack on the wall for your shoes. The bathroom is efficient and it feels like home. You're going to love the spacious shower. If you love open spaces and lots of natural light, you are going to love this charming home. Give us a call today. This just might be the next place that you're going to call home.